The best gaming PCs can handle the most resource-demanding and graphically intensive video games, and do so in the biggest and most elegant form factor possible. Though these machines provide many benefits, they can often come with the steepest price tags in the PC market, lofty costs notwithstanding. Owning a powerful gaming rig pays off in numerous ways. In this video, I'm going to be counting down the top 5 best gaming PCs in 2022. If you're looking to upgrade your gaming rig, then you won't want to miss this. I'll be covering the specs, features, and price of each PC so you can make the best decision for your needs. So, without further ado, let's get started. The fifth PC on our list is iBuyPower Y60 2022, Best Mid-Tower Gaming PC. The iBuyPower Y60 is a great gaming PC if you want an eye-catching system that plays games well while showcasing what's inside to full effect. Our review unit packed powerful components inside the Height Y60, a mid-tower case from iBuyPower's sibling brand that's nearly all tempered glass on two sides, making it look a bit like a giant fish tank. While it's a bit heavy and unwieldy to move around, once you have the case in place it's quite roomy and easy to work in. Though our review unit kicks out quite a bit of heat once you start gaming with gusto. You can order a pre-built Y60 system from iBuyPower or have them build one to order for you, making this a great choice for someone who knows what they want and has enough desk space to showcase the Y60 to full effect. The fourth PC on our list is Manger Turbo, Best Compact Gaming PC. The Manger Turbo is a juggernaut. Blistering speeds befitting the name are coupled with a dizzying price tag, as the bespoke PC vendor has packed the most powerful and expensive hardware available into this singular machine. But Manger takes it one step further, packing top-tier components into a compact chassis that delivers performance in a fraction of the space silently. You might get a bit better bang for your buck by looking at other options on this list or building your own. But what's exciting about the Turbo is that if you have the cash, you can get Manger to trick one of these compact machines out with the latest and greatest components, including the company's eye-catching Apex cooling system. Admittedly, the Turbo's small, stylish case isn't easy to poke around in once you fill it up with a cooling system, a giant GPU and some storage drives. But if you have the cash to burn and just want a quiet, stylish compact PC that can run all the latest games at blistering fast frame rates, this is the gaming rig for you. The third PC on our list is Acer Predator Orion 3000, Best Gaming PC for First-Timers. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 is a mid-sized gaming PC that's attractive, affordable, and great for playing games at 1080p to 1440p. It's not a great choice if you're looking to play games at 4K, however, and its packed and keyboard and mouse leave much to be desired. The Orion 3000 also fared slightly worse in our suite of performance tests than some similarly priced gaming PCs, perhaps because our review unit arrived with just 16 GB of RAM. The case is well organized and easy to open though, so it should be pretty easy to upgrade this machine with more RAM when you need it. With its sub $2,000 price, beefy components, and stylish, accessible case, Acer's Predator Orion 3000 is a great first gaming PC for someone looking to get into the hobby. The second PC on our list is Corsair Vengeance i7-200, Best Gaming PC for Customization. The Corsair Vengeance i7-200 doesn't cost nearly as much as some of its competitors, but it still gives you access to some of the most powerful hardware on the market. That's because the Vengeance i7-200 comes in a plain-looking case and doesn't include any peripherals. But if you prefer substance to style, this is probably the right gaming PC for you. With CPUs up to an Intel Core i9 and GPUs up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090, you can make a beast of a machine if you can pay for it. Apart from that, the Vengeance i7-200 features beautiful RGB lighting, a tasteful glass side panel and extremely quiet fans. That makes it a good productivity tool in addition to a gaming powerhouse, whether you game in QHD or 4K. There's almost certainly a Vengeance i7-200 build that will work with your setup. The first PC on our list is Alienware Aurora R13, Best Gaming PC Overall. A judgment of the Aurora R13 is in large part a judgment of the new Legend 2.0 chassis, since so much of Alienware's business is based on building you a PC with the specific components you want. And after spending a couple of weeks working, playing and mucking around with our review unit, we can tell you that the Aurora R13's new look is a winner. The redesigned chassis is easy to access, offers plenty of ports, and has enough ventilation that even after gaming in 4K for hours, I noticed only a mild hum and a pleasant warmth emanating from the PC. Since the computer weighs up to 35 pounds, it's a bit hefty to move around or plop on a desk. But if your desk can accommodate it, the space-age design and customizable RGB lighting are sure to turn heads. If you can afford it, Alienware will fill the Aurora R13 with top-of-the-line components that make it a top-tier gaming PC. At nearly $3,000, our review unit is far from cheap, but it's powerful enough to play the latest and greatest games in 1080p for years to come. Just don't expect blazing fast frame rates at 4K for that price. The Aurora R13 gets as expensive as any other PC on this list if you fill it up with top-tier components. Thanks for watching the video to the end. We appreciate your support. And we'd love some more if you want us to keep doing these types of videos. You can do that by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing, and turning on the bell notification.